it's time to cut some shit. This right here is an electric chainsaw. It's got two 24-volt batteries that come with it, 3 chains in total. Got a safety button right here, so when you want to engage the chainsaw, you just push that. And if you want to put it on safe, all you got to do is push that back in and you won't be able to turn on the chainsaw. Now I know what you're thinking, Brandon, why don't you just go get a regular gas powered chainsaw? Everyone does that. Well, it's because I can't hold a gas chainsaw like this. I can't just walk into my garage, put a battery on, and be ready to go. So inside the box, you're gonna get safety gloves, safety glasses. You'll get 2 24-volt batteries, the charging port for it, 2 extra chainsaws, miscellaneous tools, your oil bottle to keep your chainsaw lubricated, and it comes in this hard case right here. I've already got a lot of great use out of this. I'm gonna have this linked in this video as well as our TikTok showcase.